channel. So now please, you are welcome to this lesson today, please, and I wish you more blessings because of watching the last videos. So I thank you very much to everyone. Please, you deserve more blessings from our Almighty God. Thank you very much. So now here we have the lesson that we are going to study is now what we call the prepositions. The prepositions, here we have the sum of them. What we call the number one is on, at, in, since, for. So now please let's talk about the where we use these prepositions. So here we have on is used to about to those days, these days and dates. At is used to specific times and places. Here we have the places. So and in is used to talk about the months, years, and seasons, even periods of time. Right. And then we have another one which is since, talks about the starting point and the continuous time until now. Another one that we have is for. For talks about the period of time, right? So aya ni amagambo tugiye kwigira hamwe akoreshwa aranga ahantu, harimo indangahantu ndetse n'indangagihe. Turaza kurebera hamwe, twabonye ko iri jambo on rikoreshwa ku minsi ndetse no ku matariki. At rikoreshwa ku specific times and places, okay, ku gihe cy'umwihariko ndetse n'ahantu. In igakoreshwa ku mezi, ku myaka, seasons ibihe, ibihembwe by'ibihe runaka by'igihe. Periods of time noneho ndetse n'ingano y'igihe runaka. Hakaza nanone since, kuva, starting point, igihe ikintu cyatangiriye. Continuous until now, kugeza magingo aya. For, here we have another one which is for period of time. Naivuga umubumbe w'igihe, a total of time, right? So there we have the exercises. Ladies and gentlemen, be ready about the following the exercises. And I remind you, please, if you have a student who studies at primary 6, senior 3, just very important to share this lesson to them. Right. So let's continue to the first exercise. Number one is what we call I wake up blah 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 6 a.m. Which one can we use? Right? Right. So please remember to take a paper and just do it on your paper. Gerageza gufata urupapuro ukorereho, hanyuma mu masegonda abiri tugendane. Answer is easy. So you see here we have the time, and which one talks about the time? It is at. Here an answer is at. I wake up at 6 a.m. So the next one is she was born blah 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 2012. Please just give you 2 seconds. It's okay. So and you say this year we have this to be born. Just it will be used it together with this preposition in, mu. Right? She was born in 2012. Yavutse mu mwaka wa 2012. na cumi na kabiri. We play football, blah, 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 Saturday. Okay? 1, 2. It's okay. Right. And answer is here. Here we have the time. Here we have this, the days, right? Saturday is the day, right? So which one is it on days? It is on, right? We play football on Saturday, right? So please, ladies and gentlemen, it's better to listen. And if you have a question, remember to write it in a comment, right? He has lived there, has lived, this one is here. Okay, he has lived here. It's okay. Here we have year, a year. Which one is it to mention, to describe, to demonstrate the years, months, years, seasons, a period of time? It is what we call. It is what we call the. This one that is the. Here we have the starting. So here we have the starting. When you see this one, please remember, he has lived here. And you see this one, you have the starting point with the year, right? It's okay. Then here we have, and we will say, since. He has lived here since. And remember that this since, it's commonly used together with this present perfect, even past perfect, right? So here we have the number 5. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. And then remember here we have this one, what we call the period. This one, the period of time. It is where we'll use for 1 hour. For 1 hour. Bategereje isaha imwe. 1 hour. We don't read 1 hour. It is not 1 hour. We say 1 hour. Hour. This one is a silent letter. H is a silent letter. Right? This one is a silent letter. Silent letter. Right? So let's go. The book is blah blah blah. The table. You see the table. Which preposition will we use? The preposition that will be used is what we call on, because this one it is on the surface of such an object. Maybe the table can be the table, can be anything else, right? So let's continue there again. We have known each other. Okay. Here we have another starting point, right? It means that we'll use, here we have the starting point. We will use since. And remember here we have the present perfect. The present perfect, right? So number 8. Please, number 8, you see there, you will write it in the comment, right? This one is yours, right? Just write it in a comment. Please just make subscribe, like, and share to your friends, to your family, to other students that you know, to those ones who are preparing their national examinations, because this lesson is very crucial to everyone. And even if you want to speak English fluently, just you have to study and you come to study, we study together on our channel. Twari dufite interuro ya mbere mu kinyarwanda igira iti I wake up at 6 mbyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. He was born in yavutse mu mwaka wa 2012. We play football on Saturday. Dukina umupira w'amaguru on Saturday. Ku isabato cyangwa ku gatandatu. He has lived here since 2020. Yabaye hano kuva mu mwaka wa 2020. They waited for 1 hour. Bategereje isaha imwe. Another one is the book is on the table. Igitabo kiri ku meza. We have known each other since 2018. Twamenyanye kuva mu mwaka wa 2018. I will meet you blah 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 5 o'clock. Iki nicyo muri buze kwandika muri comment. Turi hamwe twese twakwiteza imbere, twamenye icyongereza. All together we can develop ourselves. We can speak English fluently. Thank you for watching. Thank you for attention. Just be here. We are together. Anything, write it in a comment. Thank you very much. See you.